Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 hair care products from Minimalist. These are the newly launched Malic Acid Bond Repair range from Minimalist. I'm going to be talking about their newly launched 5% Malic Acid Bond Repair Complex Serum and a shampoo from the same line and the conditioner from the same line. So first let's talk about the serum. I'm going to be talking about every detail like the packaging, the pricing, the specifications of the product, how to use the product and how it worked for my hair. So coming to the packaging of the product, it comes in a dropper packaging like this. You have to take the product out like this from the packaging, and it retails for around I think 495 or 499. I'll mention the price on the screen. For 50 ml of product we have to pay like around 500 rupees. That is the pricing of the product. And now coming to the specifications of the product and what the product targets on our hair. It targets weak, damaged and dull hair, and it also targets frizzy hair and brittle hair. This is the data mentioned on their website, and they also mentioned that it is suitable for all hair types. And this serum is free of sulfates, mineral oils, parabens and silicones. So these are like the specifications of this product. Now coming to the point how to use this product, you have to apply this product like a normally how you would apply a hair mask, the pre-shampoo hair mask. It is not a leave-on serum. You have to apply this hair mask before shampooing. Like you have to apply it on your hair, leave it on for 1 hour and then wash it off with a shampoo. You should not apply it on the scalp. You should only apply it to the hair lens. So this is the way in which you can use this serum, and you can use this serum once or twice a week. It is mentioned on their website. So yeah, these are like the specifications and how to use this serum and all. Now coming to the important things, that are the ingredients of the serum. The main ingredients of the serum is the malic acid bond complex. It is a combination of some amino acids, malic acid, and I'll mention all the ingredients of the complex on the screen. You can have a look at them. So this formulation is mainly targeted to repair the damaged bonds in the hair. Malic acid is a molecule that is particularly targeted for repairing the damage in the hair, which is mainly caused due to heating of the hair, like the heat styling or the chemical impact on the hair. So it is mainly targeted to repair chemically damaged, chemically treated or heat damaged hair. So that is the malic acid. We have malic acid and we have amino acids in the formulation. Amino acids also protect the hair from damage that is mainly caused due to heat styling of the hair. So we have a lot of amino acids, and we have lot of nourishing hair oils like argan oil, coconut oil, squalene, and we have a couple of nourishing ingredients. So if we look at the overall formulation, they mainly concentrated on hydrating ingredients, moisturizing ingredients and protective and repairing kind of ingredients, like the repair of the damage that is mainly caused due to heat stylings or chemically treated hairs. So this is the overall formulation of the product. And Minimalist also mentioned a picture, the before and after picture of the hair shaft, where they are showing how it can repair the damaged hair shaft. So you can go to their website and check that picture also. So yeah, and the other important ingredients in this serum are argan oil, coconut oil and some other nourishing oils, and some hydrating kind of amino acids and the ingredients like that. So the serum mainly focuses on hydrating the hair, moisturizing the hair and repairing the damaged and brittle hair. This is the overall formulation of the product. Now coming to how I used this product. When the first time I used it, I took 2.5 pumps for my entire hair. I partitioned my hair into 5 sections, and for each section I applied half dropper of the product. So it's like 2.5 pumps for my entire hair. But the first day after hair wash, my hair felt very tamed down, and by second day morning my hair felt very soft, but the bounce is not there in my hair. It took away the bounce also. Of course my hair became very soft, but the bounce is not there. And by the evening of the second day and third day morning, my hair became very thin and lean, which I honestly did not like. I like my hair to be a little bit bouncy. So the next time when I used it, what I did, I took only 1.5 pump of this serum for my entire hair, and I tried it with the shampoo from the same line and Olaplex conditioner, and it worked so well for my hair. My hair became so soft and the bounce is still there on my hair. So I think for my length of hair, 1.5 pumps of the serum is good enough. If I apply too much, then it will weigh my hair down. So yeah, I tried it multiple times with different shampoos and different conditioners, and 1.5 pumps of serum is working very well for my hair. It is making my hair super soft, and there is like very less breakage on my hair shafts now, and the hair fall also reduced, because normally for my hair fall happens due to breakage of hair. Since this serum is controlling the breakage, the amount of hair that is falling in my shower also reduced. So I can say that this is a very good hair serum. It can work if you have very dry hair or damaged hair, brittle hair, split ends. I have also noticed that I am not getting that amount of split ends now, and my hair is remaining very soft and smooth. So if these are like your hair concerns, then definitely you can give this hair serum a try. But if you already have thin hair, if you already have soft lean hair, then I think you will not love this product, because it will further make your hair look thin and lean, which probably you will not like, right? So yeah, that's with the minimalist hair serum. So now coming to the don'ts with the hair serum, you should not apply it on the scalp. It is intended only to apply on the shafts of your hair. And the second point is, it is not a leave-on serum. I got some comments asking that whether you can leave it on your hair. No, you should not. It is not a leave-on serum. It is a mask in the form of a serum, like pre-shampoo mask. So you have to apply it, you have to keep up to 1 hour, and then you have to wash it off. In that manner, you should use this serum. So I think I covered all the points related to this serum. Now coming to the shampoo from the same line, it is the Maleic Bond Repair Complex 3.5 hair shampoo with amino acids, vitamin B5 and ceramides. The main ingredients of this formulation are very similar to the hair serum, and they have added some mild surfactants for that cleansing action. So this shampoo also contains ingredients that helps in hydrating the hair, moisturizing the hair, and giving back the strength to the hair. So this shampoo also focuses on those characteristics. Now the texture, I'll include the texture shot here, and it foams like decently. It foams quite well on the hair, and it cleanses the hair also very well. But remember one thing, it is not a clarifying shampoo. It will not give you that clarifying cleansed kind of effect. It is like a mild everyday kind of shampoo, not so mild but not like the clarifying one also. It falls somewhere in between. And one thing I observed is, if I oil my hair, then it will take a lot of time and effort to get the oil out of the hair, and I have to like double wash with this shampoo to get the oil out of my hair. So that's one thing you need to remember. Otherwise it works very fine with a single wash also. So yeah, it is a mild shampoo. It is a very good shampoo. It hydrates my hair, and it makes my hair so soft, and it did not cause any extra hair fall, or it did not dry out my hair also. So it is like a very good like mild but effective kind of shampoo, and I like this shampoo from this line. So yeah, that's with the shampoo from the same line. Now coming to the conditioner from the same line, we have the Maleic Bond Repair Complex 5% hair mask with amino acids and ceramides. Now coming to the core ingredients, like the Maleic Bond Repair Complex, this complex is the very similar when compared with the serum and the shampoo. So with this hair mask also, they are mainly targeting repair of the damaged hair, and along with that it also has other hydrating and moisturizing kind of ingredients to really nourish the hair. And this hair mask you need to apply after shampooing your hair. You have to apply it on the wet hair, and you have to keep it on for 5 minutes and rinse it off with plain water. That's how you should use this conditioner. Now the thing with this conditioner is, it weighs my hair down. Like, it makes my hair super soft and super thin. That I did not like that feeling at all. I tried it with different combinations of shampoos and hair serums, but every time I used this conditioner, the same thing happened again and again, that it is making my hair very soft and way down. So if you have more frizzy hair than mine, then you may like this conditioner. But if you have like normal wavy hair or thin hair or very soft kind of hair, then it may weigh your hair down and you may not like this product. So this is my opinion on the conditioner from Minimalist. So from the three products, I like the serum and the shampoo. Like, I like the serum the most, the Maleic Bond Repair Complex Hair Serum the most, and the next is the shampoo, and I'll skip the conditioner. So this is like my review of Minimalist hair care products. I hope you find this video helpful. If it is, please don't forget to hit that like button, and also please hit that subscribe button, because that will help my channel to grow. So yeah, with that I'm wrapping up today's video. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.